Hey there, Earthians! Today I'll talk about the resources you can find when you explore your water hex. So, let's start. There are 5 categories of resources waiting to be found under the waves. The first is, of course, fish. Here, you can see the specific types of fish you can discover after researching your fish category. The rarer the fish is, the more unlikely it is to find, defined by a percentage. Salmon is the most common one, while bluefin tuna is an epic resource that will be produced into much higher quality foods and even health remedies. Feel free to pause the video if you want to take a closer look at the percentages. Next up, we have water animals. These are similar to fish, as they are also a food source, but they are harder to find and have some unique properties. This is because each water animal will have a chance to drop a valuable byproduct when being farmed by a resource gathering company. For example, oysters can drop pearls, which are used to make jewelry. Turtles can drop their shells, which are crafted into armor. And seals are very valuable because of their skin. Moving on, we have water fuels. To gather these from the depths of the ocean, you will need to build a fuel extraction company. As you can see, it is much more common to find oil than coal beneath the waves. However, keep in mind this is crude oil. Before Earthians can use it to power their vehicles, it will need to be processed in an oil refinery. Coal, on the other hand, can be used directly to power a coal power plant, which will grant electricity to the hex it's built in. Then we have water minerals. It's quite rare to find this category in the water, but it can still happen if you're lucky. You have quartz, sapphires, emeralds, and diamonds. All of these minerals can be processed in a mineral processing plant, which can then be used in very important crafting recipes. A few examples of this would be electrical components, vehicles, high-level buildings, and jewelry. Last but not least, there's water metals. Metals are probably the most versatile resource in ERTHA. They are used in everything. You will use them in building construction, technology, computers, research, and many other things. There are a lot of metals in ERTHA. Make sure to familiarize yourself with them. The most rare metals are, of course, platinum and gold. These metals should have a very high value in the market. So, now that we have gone through all the resource categories, let's take a look at the exploration chances for each category. As I've said before, the rarity of the resources found largely depends on how far away your water hex is from any land or coast. Here is a table that clearly displays the chances for each resource category. Feel free to pause the video and take a deeper dive. The pollution statistic is also an important variable, but I will talk more on that in later videos. So that covers everything you can find by exploring your water hex at the moment. However, after ERTHA v1.0, this resource list will grow. We have plans to add water plants, algae, and other surprises that will keep you engaged in ERTHA for years to come. Thank you for watching, and until next time.